Hey there beauties, my name is Kristen Marie. I'm a licensed esthetician, an educator, mentor, a YouTuber, and a mom. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's episode. And of course, hit that subscribe button. We're growing and flowing here. You know the deal. I've been sharing my journey with you as an esthetician turned solo esthetician, now business owner, and I plan to keep it real and raw with you here on this channel. Feel free to introduce yourself down below. Today, I'm going to be opening up a little goodie package from Skinscript. Now, if you haven't already watched my review video for Skinscript, I did a full review for them. Skinscript is near and dear to my heart. They've just been amazing to work with. Love their products. They're affordable, they're I just have all such great things to say. But like any brand, there are products that are great and there's products that are not so great. And I did share with you in that video which ones I loved and didn't love and which ones I've continued to use repeatedly. And so I guess they came out with some new products and they reached out to me and said, hey, we want to send you these products so you could try them out, review them for us. And so here I am. If you want to see what Skinscript sent me and for me to test out their new products, then go ahead and continue watching. Alright, y'all. Drum roll. Let's open up this little baby right here. Again, thank you Skinscript for sending me this. It says, a new level of radiance has arrived, designed to illuminate, brighten, and restore. The Honey Brightening Cleanser and the Mandelic Brightening Serum. Okay. Here. Ooh, I like this packaging. Very cute. Here's this Honey Brightening Cleanser. Let's read about that real quick. Brightens, addresses hyperpigmentation, strengthens barrier, and enhances cellular turnover. Mandelic and lactic acid gently exfoliate and provide antibacterial and hydrating benefits. Looking forward to using this one. Let's see, there's not really a percentage on here, but I can look on the website and see if they have percentages on this one. But anyways, okay, let's move on to the next one. Then there is the Mandelic Brightening Serum with niacinamide. So let's read about what that's supposed to do. Gently exfoliates and helps to reduce the appearance of pores, supports the microbiome of the skin to reduce sensitivity, enhances barrier function. Niacinamide provides anti-inflammatory support as well as increases cellular energy. You know we like that. And then they sent me the improved formula for the Ageless Skin Moisturizer. Now you guys know that I love the Ageless Skin Serum, but I've actually never tried their moisturizer, so I'm actually looking forward to trying this one out. It says it increases hydration and restores skin barrier with enhanced antioxidant support. It's got alpha lipoic acid, aloe, and CoQ10. Sounds cool. And then they gave me a cute little notebook. Loving the purple. A pen. A sticker that says Empowered Esthetician. Love that. And then last but not least, they gave me a little pouch. It says Skinscript Empowered Esthetician on there. Love that. Thank you so much Skinscript. Anyways, I'm looking forward to trying these over the next week or so. Come along and test them out with me, and I'm going to give you my honest first impressions of the products and then give you my overall thoughts and feedback about it at the end of the video. So go ahead and continue watching, like this video if you're enjoying it, and I'll see you in a little bit. So I'm doing my little night routine right now, and I just cleansed my skin with my general cleanser first, as I figure the honey brightening cleanser would be a great second cleanse at night, or your double cleanse, because it has that active acid in there and it's going to be more targeting. So let's try this out for the first time. Let's see. That's an interesting smell. Can't figure it out. I smell kind of the honey in there, but some sort of like citrus. I can't talk right now. It's been a long day. Some sort of citrusy smell in there too. So okay, let's see. I'm looking forward to seeing what the look and feel of the product is as well. I did not expect it to be this kind of consistency. It's pretty thick. I like it. It smells good. It is thick, so I wonder, you know, if it's gonna lather up. Yeah, it looks like it gets foamy. I do like the smell a lot, actually. Yeah, it feels nice. I don't feel any tingles. I know with the glycolic cleanser, I definitely feel the tingles a lot more with that cleanser. So this one feels really gentle. I do feel like it's doing a good job at cleansing. Yeah, I mean, I would say in comparison to the other cleansers that I use as my second cleanse, it's pretty gentle. I didn't feel any stimulation putting it on my skin. My skin does feel soft and clean. But let's see, let's do a little test to see how clean it left my skin. Using a little bit of a toner. Yeah, I mean, still have a little residue, but it's not bad. I did have to go in and get a little bit more of the cleanser because I did put it on the back of my hand and I had to like wipe it off, but I would say you need at least a quarter size amount of the product to like really feel like it's cleaning your whole face. So I do feel like that's a little bit more product than I'm used to using in a double cleanser. Just comparing it to the other cleansers that I use, I usually only have to use a like dime size amount. I don't feel like my face feels extremely dry or anything, so that's a good thing. Of course, we gotta go in with the Cucumber Hydration Toner. That product never gets old. Okay. Now let's go in with the Mandelic Brightening Serum. Comes in this nice push top. And I like that it's white. I know a lot of their products are purple and silver, but I'm liking the white and the purple and the silver cap. But let's see what this is looking like. This is the consistency. It's nice and light. Has a nice smell to it. It's like herbal almost. So it's supposed to balance oil production and improve skin tone. Sorry, now I'm rubbing it in very weirdly, but that's the only thing about testing it out on the back of your hand. I wonder what the scent is supposed to be. Cedarwood oil, honeysuckle flower extract, bergamot fruit oil. Yeah, it has a very like essential oily type of scent to it. Like I can't put my finger on it, but it's like relaxing, it stimulates the senses, and it went on nice. I do feel a slight tingle on the skin putting this on, but it's definitely not anything too overwhelming. It feels nice. It feels almost like invigorating on the skin, and I'm curious to see what it kind of does over the next week or so of me trying this out, so stay tuned. I mean, obviously you can kind of see that I've had a couple, I just got done with my period and I had a couple little breakouts, so we'll see. Maybe it'll help some of these post-inflammatory marks to go away sooner. And then now, without further ado, let's try the Ageless Skin Moisturizer. Definitely a little bit of a thicker consistency. I am curious to see if this will be too thick for me, because you guys have seen me review other moisturizers before, and it doesn't mean that it's a bad moisturizer, it's just that my skin is a little more oily. I'm curious to see when I wake up in the morning if I have too much sheen on my face. But it feels really nice. A very light scent. It does have aloe in there, so I'm feeling like it's similar to the serum, but a little bit thicker in consistency. And it feels nice, yeah. I mean, definitely moisturizing. Again, I think a little thicker than what I would prefer, but it felt nice going on. Increases hydration, restores skin barrier, and enhance antioxidant support. So we'll see. We'll see when I wake up if it's looking too, I don't know. I don't know if you know what I mean. When you put on a moisturizer that's a little too thick, you wake up the next day and it's just like, it almost feels, I don't know how to explain it, but we'll see if it feels that way at all tomorrow morning. And actually, I didn't even see that they threw in here a lip product for me. The Ageless Lip Treatment with Peppermint contains peptides and antioxidants to improve texture, repair, and restore hydration to the lips. So, you know me and my lip products, I love to apply it, and oh, that came out a lot. Whoops. But I'm not mad at it. Got a light peppermint flavor to it. It's nice and thick. I think I put too much, but I do like it. So we'll see if it keeps my lips hydrated all night, and keep on watching. Hey y'all, so we are back here about a week later, and I believe that they should be launched. I believe they launched March 11th, so do know that these products are available for purchase for professionals, and I'm gonna give you guys my overall feedback and experience. You guys got to see my first impressions, but I have some more thoughts as I've used them over this past week and a half. So it was only 4 products, so I can't really say like what my top 3 or bottom 3 were, because there's only 4 of them. So I'm just gonna order them in the order that I like from the most to the least. I'm gonna have to say it's a bit of a tie between the Mandelic Brightening Serum and the Ageless Skin Moisturizer. The reason why I'm tied with them is because the Mandelic Serum, I do believe I want to continue to use this until it's gone, basically, to really see if there's been any noticeable change in my skin. My skin has been very clear. Like, these products did not create any irritation or extra breakouts or anything like that. And I did share with you when I was first trying them that I had some post-inflammatory pigmentation going on. I do feel like that cleared up a lot quicker than normal. So, you know, maybe we could attest that to this product. But I enjoyed using it, and it smells good, and I do feel like I will continue to use this. Now, the Ageless Skin Moisturizer, I felt like when I first put it on that it was pretty thick, and I was thinking, okay, you know, for a combo oily skin type, maybe it wouldn't be the best, maybe it'd be a little too heavy, but it didn't make me excessively oily at the end of the day. And when I woke up at night after wearing it, I didn't have this film or grease on my skin. I haven't had any excessive breakouts going on, so I really do feel like this could actually be great for somebody who wants a bit more moisture, on their skin, and if you are more oily or combination or acne prone, this still would be a good product for you. I mean, test it out. If you are a dry skin type, this could work for you also. But of course, I'm speaking for my own experience in my skin, but I do really like this product. So I would have to say these two I'm going to continue to use until they're gone. Maybe I can try to give you an update in the comments below at some point to let you know how it's going. But Skinscript, good job on these products right here, because I know Mandelic serums have been kind of hot and happening lately. I know a lot of my clients have been mentioning they've been using Mandelic serums. I'm glad to know that now Skinscript offers one. Anyways, if you guys want to look up more of the key core ingredients to these, all of that, go ahead and check out their website. I'm not going to dive too deep into that in this video. Okay, so let's get down to these last two products. I'm going to say that next up would be the Honey Brightening Cleanser. So the Honey Brightening Cleanser is with the mandelic and lactic acid and that black bee and honey integration into it. I do feel like this product is a bit thick, the packaging and everything. I would suggest to Skinscript to put it in a bottle where you can pump it, because I did feel like it was a bit difficult to get the product out of this bottle. I know, I'm assuming that your pro size, if you guys do offer a pro size, would be in a pump, but even for a retail product, I do think that this would be a bit better for a pump type of packaging. As far as the results or overall experience with it, I didn't really notice a huge difference, and maybe because I do feel like this is a bit more gentle for my liking. I like to use a bit of a stronger cleanser. I like using the Clear Cell Salicylic Gel Cleanser from Image. I do feel like it has a bit more of a punch for my skin, which I do feel like I need personally because I'm a little more acne prone. I have an oily skin type. I just feel like this was too gentle for me. But was it a bad product? No. It didn't have any adverse effects for me. I do believe that this would be a great product for somebody who has maybe more sensitive skin or drier skin or normal skin, because this does give a really nice clean feel to the skin. It doesn't create any irritation, and it does have a bit of those lactic and mandelic acids in there, which is going to be a great second cleanse at nighttime to kind of be your precursor to your other products. And also too, because it does address hyperpigmentation and it brightens as well. So I do like the cleanser. For me personally, I think I'd prefer to continue using my other product. And it does smell good, I will say that. So I'm definitely going to keep this handy to use on some of my clients that I know have a little bit more dry and sensitive skin. Lip product, not that I didn't like it. It worked well. It hydrated my lips. It had a nice peppermint scent and taste to it, but I love other lip products a lot more. You guys know I'm obsessed with the Ormetic Balancing Lip Complex from Image. That will forever be my number one, I think, unless, I don't know, another brand comes out with something better. But I do feel like this product was alright. You know, I'll probably finish it up and I probably wouldn't buy it again, but I just feel like there's better lip products out there, but it's not bad. So none of these products are bad, okay? So I'm just letting you guys know that none of these were a bad experience. They left my skin really nice this past week and a half. And, you know, it's great because I'm about to go on vacation. I was kind of worried if, you know, using new stuff right before I was going on a trip would mess me up at all, but no adverse effects whatsoever, and I'm very pleased to see that Skinscript is expanding their menu. And I thank you again so much for sending me these products. Let me know your guys' experience down below. Maybe you purchased them already, or you used them already, or you've used them on your clients. Let us know in the comments what your experience has been. We'd love to hear about it. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like this video. Like I mentioned to you guys in last week's video, I'm going to be taking a little break next week because it is my birthday and I'm going to be going on a little trip. So go ahead and subscribe to the vlog channel. It's linked down below in the description box. Check out my resources. And of course, until then, I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.